Welcome all of you for this another session of dashboard designing and reporting techniques. Today it is session 8 and we'll be learning about how we can actually take the dashboards whatever you have created and deploy that to the client. So when I say deploy, that means we're just trying to give the final deliverable to the client. So once you feel that the entire project is done, the dashboard is done, the reports are done, you will have to QC that all the links are working fine or not. Then after that, check all the designs are aligned properly. And then you'll have to see whether the reports, the filters, the numbers, what we're actually getting on the reports, everything is perfect. Usually what we do is we'll have one manually created one report and also one report which is there in the dashboard and we'll compare. Once you feel everything is fine, then it is time to give that dashboard to the client. So what all things you'll have to take care? Say what we'll do is we'll work on both. That is, we'll work on Excel as well as we'll work on Power BI, how actually we'll deploy that to the client. First thing is I'll open the Excel file what we have created. Okay. Just check 1 minute. I think I've taken a wrong version. We'll take this one. Okay. And just make a copy of it quickly. Let me take this. So I'm opening this Excel file and we'll see how we can give this file to the client. Okay. Usually what we do, we'll just go directly, we'll send the file. Don't do that. Okay. First thing is, you can see that we have this headers, the column headers, the row headers and things like that. Let's go to this view and here I'll say, always make sure that the headings are hidden. I'll tell you why. These headings are actually used whenever you are storing the data or somewhere you're writing some formulas and you require the column headers and the row headers. But when you're creating this dashboard, you just try to hide this so that you'll get more space. Next, here I have the buttons here, right? So usually what you have to do is you have to give link for this. So the other day we didn't give. So what I'll do, I'll go here and we'll try to give the link quickly. Okay, I'm selecting these two and I'll just group it so that this will become like one button. Okay, then how to link? Right click and say, you'll go here, I'll say link. You can see that I'll get one window here. I'll just try to place that in the same document. I'll say, go to this dashboard, the sheet, the dashboard. Now, if you see here, I have the screen tip. Click on the screen tip and here I'll say report 0 and click on OK. So what does that mean? Some people actually don't give that screen tip. So if you don't give, what happens? That will give all some big link, say C drive and whatever drive is there, that file path, it will give the entire path. So what I'll do, I'll move my cursor here. You can see that. See here. It's coming somewhere here in the bottom, but I'll show you. So if you go here, you can see that somewhere in the bottom it's coming. So later on, I'll show you how we can do that. So here you can see, so we'll get that screen tip. See, can you see that screen tip? So you'll get like this. Otherwise, what happens? It will give me some link. I'll show you it. So same thing. Let's go here and do this for the report 1 as well. Right click and I'll say group. Right click, link. Then here I'll link this to dashboard 01. So I'll not give any screen tip. I'll just say okay and see what happens. Can you see that? It's not giving me a proper, say screen tip. It is giving me some path and something like that, which is not relevant. It will not be good. Suppose if I give this to some other client, again it will show something there. It will be confusing. So what we should do? Just right click and then say edit link. And here I'll say screen tip. Here I'll say report 01. Let me click on this. See, right, for this sheet also, we'll go here, we'll say view, and we'll try to hide. See, can you see that now? Yeah. Since we have this report 1 and report 2, there's a button for this. So what we'll do, we'll go here and we'll try to hide these sheet tabs. How to hide the sheet tabs? File, options, and here I'll say advanced. Scroll down. So here somewhere we'll have that. See, show sheet tabs. Can you see that? Advanced show sheet tabs. Just uncheck this. Say okay. See, I can see that we don't have the sheet tabs here. That means the user will not have access to go and select by sheets. Now he has to go here and click on this one, like this. Right? Okay. Next, what we'll do, finally, you have to go here to this review, and here you can see that I have this protect sheet. Try to protect this sheet so that what happens is the people cannot go and modify anything there. Just have to go and view it. Okay. So I'll go here. I'll just give any password. You can give any password, but make sure that you'll remember. As of now, I'll just give 1, 2, 3. And here, again, it will ask for confirm password. So 1, 2, 3. I'll say okay. See now, I can only go here and click on this. Can you see that? I cannot edit anything. So this also we can go here, we can modify this. Let me go here to this review and say unprotect. 1, 2, 3. Let's see when I go to this protect. Scroll down, do we have the slicers? We don't have that. Okay, just see edit objects. We just try this. I think it's not working. So I'll check this. Okay, you have to protect this so that you can go here. You can. Right. Same thing. I'll do this for the second sheet. I'll go here and here I'll say view. So review and then protect. I'll give 1, 2, 3. And here I'll say see. Understood? So this one we'll send it to the back. So that no edits will happen here. So I can only go here and view or filter the. So this is what we are doing for Excel. Now let me close this. So you can directly mail this, or you can keep this in OneDrive and you can tell him to copy that, or you can open that. Let me close this. So don't save. Next one is the dashboard what we have created in Power BI. Okay. So how to deploy this? Let me tell you. Let's open this. It will take some time. Now this is for the Power BI what we have. Now I want this entire project to be online, right? So what we have to do, once everything is done, say, all the links, the reports, everything is finalized. Let me go here. A little slow actually. See here, we have this publish. I'll click on this publish. Click on this publish. When I click on this publish, it will ask for the path. So what is this? This publish will happen only when you have a 365 license, or you should have a private domain. When I say private domain, it should be a company ID. You cannot have Gmail ID. Now, if you see it asks for workspace, select this. So I'm already logged in my ID, and I'll just select. When I click on select, it is trying to publish. Publish means it will take the entire Power BI file, whatever we have created. That is .pbix Power BI file. It will take and it will put to the drive. Okay, that is the cloud. We call it as Power BI service. Can you see that? Now it is in the service a publishing to Power BI. Now if you go here and click on this, open the dashboard, click on this, it will take me here. Let's go here. Just logging in to my ID. See, this is online. Now, whatever you are seeing, this is online. Say I can go here. I can click on this. I told you if you have published it, you don't have to go and click on Control C. I think this here. You see that? You don't have to hold control now because now we are in the publish mode. Previously, the desktop we were in the design mode. Okay, right. Now let me just see. These are the dashboard. See. Now, what is the published, that is online version, and what is the desktop version? The online version means you can share it with anyone because that is there in the cloud, the Power BI service. But desktop is within your system only, local system. Suppose if you want to share the source file, you have to share it with .pbix. Then can I share this? Yes, you can do that. So there is something called a share here. Click on this share. When I click on this share, see it asks for the email IDs to whom we can actually send the file or send this report. They can access online. You can give them permission for editing or for only viewing also. Okay. So here we can send it by copying the link and sending. So I'll just copy this. I can send the link, or I can send it through mail or Teams. You know Teams, right? So we can chat with so many people and we can send that, or we can also export this to PPT and we can send all the reports. So likewise, we can enter the email ID here and then we can share it. Okay. So this is how actually we can share with the client as well. Now, suppose if you think I want, say, save a copy of it. Why do we have to save a copy of it? Say, for example, if I do any changes here, okay, I do any changes here, and if I refresh, that will get changed here online. If I do any changes in desktop, and if I again publish it, I save this and publish it, that will get replaced here in the online. But if I do any changes here, I can go to this edit mode and see, I can go to this edit mode. If you click on this edit mode, can you see that? I'll come to this edit mode where I can update this online as well. So once I update this online as well, if I save this, that will not get saved in the desktop. Then what I should do is, I have to go here, I have to save this, and I have to download this file so that I'll have a copy of it. Then again I can modify. again I have to publish. Understood? So here we're just trying to share the file that is by desktop to my service. And then if you want any addition, edits to be done, you can do it here. But I recommend do all the edits in the desktop only, so that any updates you're doing that can be saved and that will get updated in the online service. But sometimes what happens, you have to directly work on the online service, that is here in the Power BI service itself. So you'll have a copy of it, it will get saved automatically. You go and save, it will be there. But working on the Power BI online is slow depending on your internet speed, it will work. But desktop is like you can go anywhere, you can start working. But the thing is, the data connection has to be there. Once you connect the data, you can start working. But suppose if you want to refresh the data, then again you have to be online, because the data source will be somewhere. If it is there in your local system, it is fine. If it is there somewhere online, like SQL server or website or something, then you have to connect with the internet. Okay. So likewise, you can actually publish that and you can share it with the people. So I'll just go here, reading you. See. So any changes if you want, you can do, everything will be available here. So based on that, we can actually refresh the. So these are the ways where I can actually send the reports to the client. Got it? Main thing is concentrate on how to design, how to understand the data, how to clean the data, how to structure the data, and then using those data, whatever design you have done, try to create the reports. If your reports are ready 100%, publishing or giving it to the client, that is very easy. So those are all last step where many others will involve in that. Not that only you will be there, there'll be many other people will be there, they'll involve in that, and they'll start, sending the reports to the client. Here, there'll be so many other people involved in online service. It's not only the developer, because there will be someone called as admin who will have all the access to the admin, and they will take care of the next level. Okay. So here we have so many things to explore in this itself. They're all very simple. Suppose if you think, I'll go to this home tab. So here I have all the reports, whatever, I have published, that will be available here. Exactly like what we have this offline, same thing will have online as well. But here, whatever the reports have published, only those things will be available. Then if you want, you can create a new one that, from scratch. Go here and say create. You can see, I can create a report from scratch. Then here I can go and I can browse right from the data what we have imported, or the reports what we have published, the dashboard what we have published, everything will be available here. This is exactly like what we have this offline. Right? Okay. Then we have this workspace. Just now we published that, right? It was asking for my workspace. So here, whatever we have published, so everything will be available. You can see that all the dashboards, whatever I've done. So this is the one what we just published, this one, dashboard version 2.0. So if you think you want to go and check that, if you click on this, that will again open the same file. So here, can you see this? I have this share. I can share this, and can you see this star is nothing but like a favorite. In website, if you open all your web pages in the browser, we have that favorite, right? If you click on that, you'll have that favorite. So similarly, I can click on this, and there will be something called as favorite, where I can go and I can save that. So whenever you want, say for example, let me go here. You can see that I have this favorites. Click on this favorites. Can you see? I have already marked one project, which is my favorite. That is, I keep frequently working on that. Like what we have this pin. Like that, you can keep that as a favorite there, which will help me in directly going and working on that. So here we have this icon. This is a report what we have created, and you can see that dot dot is nothing but the data. The data what we have used for this particular dashboard. Now let me go here. I'll just click on this refresh. Refresh is nothing but if any data has been updated, you get refresh. And we can also go here and we can do some settings here. Let me go here. Let's say settings. So here we have something called as gateway. So for this, you need to install the gateway. I don't have that gateway. So if you install the gateway, so what happens? What is this gateway? I'll tell you. Gateway means it is actually something like a bridge. I have the reports which I've created. I have a database or say data source. Every time I cannot go and keep on clicking on that refresh. So I can schedule this. If I install this gateway, here I can go and I can schedule this since I've not installed this gateway. So here I'll have this refresh. So I can go here, I can specify how frequently the data has to be updated. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, all right. So likewise, we can actually publish my that is, but work on the projects in desktop. Try to create a very nice design and then plan the reports. See what data you have, what all reports I can create. And once everything is done, try to check that manually whether the numbers are coming properly or not, whether the links are working properly or not, and then try to publish. Publishing is very easy. If everything is fine, publishing is very, very okay. All right. So this is how actually we can deploy the. So I will be giving you some data today in the Telegram channel. So take the data, start working on the reports. I have so many projects. Okay, so one by one, if you finish that project, let me know. I'll give you one more project. So if you are able to finish that in Excel or Power BI, that is left to you. You plan accordingly and try to work on that and finish that particular project. And if you think you need more projects, keep letting me know. I'll see whatever projects you want. I will keep giving. And you have any doubts, anything, just come to me. I will surely. Okay. All right. So this is all about the deployment of the dashboard. And this completes your dashboard sessions. I have more things to discuss. I'll tell you, but before that, I'll just go to people online. Okay. Right, people online, you can ask any questions you have. I will answer, and I have offline people as well. So you people also can ask me the questions. Quickly, I'll just give you 5 minutes because there are so many other things about the certifications, about the bonus and all. I'll just discuss quickly. So if you have any questions online, just quickly update, then I'll answer it. 5 minutes. You guys, any questions? Instead of that, we can use dashboard for some big projects. 100%. Say macros are actually used. Say VBA macros are actually used when you think that you want to make things automated. But in Power BI, we already have those things ready. When I select a drop down, automatically the reports are getting refreshed. So you don't have to bother. All right. People online? Okay. So anyways, if you have any questions, keep it with you. We still have time. I have few more things to discuss. After that also you can ask me. Okay. All right. So people, right now is it fine? People, you're still seeing that black screen? Still black screen is there? Okay. All right. So people, I'll make you people unmute. Give me some time. Later we'll speak. Okay. So people, I will be giving you this presentation. So here we have this WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Okay. These two channels we have kept so that if any free trainings, free workshops, free webinars are conducted, so we'll update you. Along with that, we'll also give you all some important things. Or we created one dashboard, say one dashboard class, something like that. If you have, so we'll be updating in this channel. So if you are there in this channel, so you'll be keep getting updates because I cannot go on every time individually. I cannot keep updating. Okay, if any updates are there, we'll update here. And we have already created one more placement assistance group, so you can join that channel as well, wherein we are planning to give all the updates about the openings and also, more other inputs. So you can join that channel. Okay. So these two channels, if you people want to get more updates, more inputs, and more knowledge, so please join this channel. If you're already there, it is fine. Otherwise, if you are not there, please join this channel. Okay. All right. So all of you will get the certificate. Okay. All of you will get the certificate. People link is there in that particular this thing only. So for example, if you go here, just click on this, you'll get the link. Okay. Otherwise, also I'll do one thing. Let me give all the links to you. Okay. So here I have the link. I'll just give the link. So this is the link for community channel, WhatsApp and Telegram. Both are given. Okay. So you can take that. All right. About the certificate. So people, as I mentioned, so you'll be getting the certificate of completion. It is not certificate of participation. It is certificate of completion. So what you have to do for that, say every candidate will get that. So I want all of you to fill that by EOD, that is by 11 p.m. today, so that I can take all your details and then give the certificates. People who have taken data science, business analytics, or anything, that you don't worry, there is a separate certificates for you people. So who have attended this dashboard session, so you will have the certificate of completion, which you will get. But for that, fill the application. I'll be sending you this link. Anyways, I'll be sending that in the Telegram channel as well. So here I'll just put this. So this is certificate of completion. Fill this form. You have to fill this form. Otherwise, I'll not get your details to give you the certificates. Okay. So you can fill the form. I've given the link. I'll also share this link in the channels as well. Okay. All right. So here we'll mention, so dashboard designing with advanced reporting techniques using Microsoft 365 and Power BI. I mentioned this so that people who are going to interviews, you can submit the certificate as well. That's why I told, post this in your LinkedIn profile. I will recommend, along with the project what you have done, right? That also you post. That's really very good thing for you people. Okay. All right. So I mentioned here, so you can go here and you can check that. Say you can put that in your LinkedIn, Facebook, or in Instagram. I prefer go and add that in the link. Okay. All right. And tag me and I take analytics solution. So we are there to recommend it. Okay. The bonus gifts what we have promised. So anyways, I've already discussed about this. So these are the bonus gifts what we'll be getting. That is, we'll be giving you some ebooks. If you already have, that is fine. But all these templates, say 150 Excel templates, which you have created the dashboards, right? Similar kind of dashboards which you have done, that I'll be sharing it with you people. You'll get all the data in that. So you can go, you can check the data. You don't have to wait for me. So you get all the data and ideas about how actually you can create the dashboard. There are some dashboards there. And there are some templates for Excel, Power BI, Word, and PowerPoint. Like whatever we have done, that designs, right? So like that, we have so many templates which I have collected from so many years. So that I'll be sharing it with you people. And the resume templates, people will be keep asking me for resume templates. There are so many templates which we have collected from various different HRs for preparing your profile. So that also is there. That also I'll be giving it to you. And then apart from this, I also thought there are something which will be useful for you. So this MS Excel functions, okay, and Chat GPT, there are some 100 prompts, Excel 2019 Bible, that DAX functions completely from scratch, okay. And I have, this is what I have done, okay, all my interviews, some 500 plus interview questions, which I've collected from various different companies, various different websites, and also which I have prepared for other companies, okay. All that I've collected here with this Power BI. So this is my product. So you get this as well. Okay. So all this will be there. I'll just send you all this in one single link where you can download that. Okay. All right. So how do you get this bonus gifts? Post this certificate first. LinkedIn. Put that in the LinkedIn and then tag me and I Tech Analytics Solutions. For sure, you'll get that link and you can download that and you can keep it with you for lifetime. So there are so many data sets which will be there in that templates, which you don't have to keep coming to me and asking for the data. Okay, right. Apart from this, let me see if I have any links to be shared. There's so many links which have this also I'll share. So if you think you want to follow me, okay, already many people are following me. If you people think that you're still not following me, so you can follow me. So I'll just put this also here. This is my LinkedIn profile and the company profile. So you can go here, you can follow me as well. Okay, all right. And people, we have few things. The Microsoft 365. Many of them already purchased. Many of them already, they're still waiting for the license. If you have still not got the license, please ask Vidya. She will, Vidya or Raki. So they will actually arrange this. So you can get it by paying 799 rupees, and you will get the, license. Right. Then we have something called as mega bundle. Okay. So this one, I'll tell you, this will cost you 4,999 rupees plus GST. What is this actually? People who have already purchased or people who have already seen this and people who have already, there in our institute, they'll know this. This is for the people who have not seen this complete bundle. I'll just show you what actually you have in this bundle. Okay. So this bundle is actually a complete course which we have recorded. It is not that someone's product we take and we'll sell. All these entire sessions, whatever is there, okay, everything is there in this bundle. Right from advanced Excel, Pro Plus, Power BI, Python programming, and almost some 27 to 28 courses are there. And this whoever is purchasing, they'll be keep getting the updated courses as well. They are not paying anything extra. Say for example, now we are actually working on something called as advanced charting techniques. It's a complete course. Okay, it's a complete advanced course, and also like dashboard what we have created. So likewise, we are creating some dashboards also, so that you can directly go and work on the project. So that is on process, and the data cleaning part, that is also one separate course. And we have one more course which will be working on the power pivots and pivot advanced pivot table. So these things actually we are actually planning. Okay, so this bundle will be like keep getting updated, so you don't have to pay again and again. It's like one time, and you'll keep getting the update. So here, what all you'll be getting, all this 27 to 28 courses, and this can be used for interview purpose or more other things. And if you just go here, so all these are the courses you can see here. All these are courses along with the interview question and answers, which will help you in preparing the interviews. Okay. So what all things you'll be learning, what all skills you'll be getting. So you'll get this data visualization, programming skills, presentation and documentation skills, database management, analytic reporting, dashboarding techniques, then automation process. That is the programming skills also you will get. Okay. So here also you will get a lot of bonus here. So here you can go through this. We have all the whatever I've spoken, the bonus gifts. Along with that, we also have some data sets which will help you in working on the projects. And we have this editable templates. So all this will be available in this one single bundle. And this is done by me and Srividya. Okay, so it is completely a bundle of courses, the materials and everything. We have created it, we have designed it, we have developed it. Okay, so this is for the mega bundle. So this will cost you 4,999 rupees plus GST. And as I mentioned, this will be updating course. Okay. All right. I'm just telling you what all things are available. If you want, you can contact us and you can purchase this. The next one is about the MOS certifications. People, I told you on 26th, it was 1,499. Again, the price has been increased. So now you get this one voucher for 1,999, and people, the examination vouchers. So whatever I spoke right that day, it was 5 vouchers. I confirmed with the Microsoft. It is 6 papers actually, but still I didn't want to increase much. So just 1,000 only we have increased because there were 5 papers which I mentioned 6,499. So now they are actually telling that it's actually 6 papers. I'm very sorry about it. So I didn't increase much, just I've increased only 1,000 here. So it is 7,499 rupees. You'll get all the 6 vouchers. People have already taken Excel. You can speak to me. I will try to reduce that cost and will adjust that for the next 5 papers. If you are taking this complete 6 papers, so you will be getting this MOS expert. Okay, and this will be more helpful for you for your future listening. And also, you'll be considered not just an Excel expert, you'll be considered as Office expert. That is MS Office 365 expert. Okay, so you just have to pay. Already people have taken our course and you got that free voucher of Excel. Still, we can reduce that because this is for 6 vouchers, what I mentioned. If you're going and purchasing for 5 vouchers, I'll just speak to you offline. Okay, if anybody is interested, let me know. This is for all the students. Okay, let me know, and we are there to support you for completing the entire all the papers. So don't worry about it. So we can give you assurance that you can finish that particular. Okay, you can message or say Google Pay or Phone Pay or do any pay. So this price is again only till 31st December. So I've spoken not to again increase this, but from January 1st, every year they'll keep revising the prices. So I am not sure what price will be there at that time. So you can let me know. Anybody is interested, let me know. We'll surely take up this. Okay. All right. And again, I told you if you guys want to follow me and my institute, so please follow. I've given the link already. And now let me just give you some more links. If anybody wants to follow YouTube, Instagram, and the Google review. Okay, so I'm sending this link as well. So here I'll just add the link. You can. Okay, all right. So post your certificate and get the bonus gifts. So here again, I'm saying that I'll give you the certificate of completion. Please fill this. People who fill this only will get the certificate. The dashboard designing certificate. Otherwise, I cannot give because I don't know who all have been attended. Same link I'll be sending you in the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channel as well. Please fill that so that you will get the certificate. And post the certificate, you will get the course. Okay. Right. So I will stop here before we end the session. I'll take up your question answers as well. So wish you all a very happy new year. Have a great year ahead. Have a good career and get a good job. We are there to support you within our limits, whatever is possible. Okay. So I wish once again a very happy new year. Okay. Right. So let me take the questions. I'll just unmute all of you. I'll unmute all of you now so you can speak. Let me unmute. Okay. Right, people. So you can have unmute you. So just unmute yourself, and if you think you want to ask anything, if you want to speak anything, or if you want to give any feedback, please go ahead.
Sir, I have one question in. Hello.
Yeah. Kusuma, tell me. I'm listening.
Sir, you have tell me to tell us to fill the form, right, to get the certificate.
You should speak little louder.
Sir, before only you told us to fill the form, right, to get the certificate. Hello.
Yeah. Tell me. Hello. Can you
Sir,
hear
in
me?
that certificate. Yeah, sir. In that certificate, it's mentioned. Are you a student or a professional? Which one we should mention, sir?
How will I know whether you are a student or a professional? To know that only
Sir,
I'm saying that. You are a student.
sir, actually, I have completed my BCA in 2016.
Okay.
I have 4 years experience in automobile field.
Then
At
put
present,
professional.
now I am thinking to switching non-IT to IT. So
No
that
problem.
at
You
present
put
I am
that as a
staying
professional because you're not, student
professional.
now. So put that as professional. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. You'll not get marks for that. Just for our understanding. That's all. How many of them are students? How many of them are professionals? Okay. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry.
Actually, it's very good thought from your institute to give training for free, sir. I have learned new things also in dashboard.
Okay, good. That's the main intention of this entire course, so that we people will get more, things to learn. And very frankly, even I have learned a lot of things while doing R&D on this. Very frank. So many things even I didn't know. When I was actually trying to prepare some notes, I could learn a lot of things. Okay, so
Yes, sir, of course, because compared to other institutes, it's good because most of them will teach only basics. I have completed course in some other Besant Technologies.
please don't mention any institute name.
Okay.
Okay, so because each institute has got their own strategies. I mean, let's not compare with the institutes, because we
Yes,
just
sir.
talk about us. So if you're not happy with other institutes, no worries. We can't help it, because once we go there only we'll come to know. Please don't name any institutes or any trainer name, because it's not good, because see, some people might not like our institute also. I'm not telling that our institute is
Uh,
something which gives always very good things. Some people might not like, some people might like. So don't mention any name, but good.
okay.
But I'm
Anyhow,
happy that we are giving.
anyhow, it's overall good, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Kusma. We have still more plans next year. People, I'll tell you, I promise, I'll be giving a lot of good things, which even I have not explored. Okay, there are so many things which I don't want to name now, because if I name, then again, if it takes time, people will start pouncing. So once what happened, you want to take this dashboard class only. I mentioned they keep on messaging, sir, when are you starting, sir? When are you starting? So I will do it, but I'll not take the topic, but every topic will be very interesting. The next year, we're trying to schedule this, more trainings. So let's not have a continuous 1 week or 2 weeks training. It will become like too much for some people. They're not able to attend, because I've seen many people were there in the first class. They are around some 50 to 60 people. Now it got reduced to 20, 25 people. Okay, it happens because all are professionals. But don't worry, we'll give you the videos so you can go and watch the videos as well. Make sure that you learn, because I'm not going to lose anything.
Yes, sir.
You are the one who will be spending a lot of time. See, for me, I'm already settled. Settled in the sense I have the skills. I'm just trying to improvise myself. It is you who have to improvise your skills so that you'll get the job. If you're not improvising your skills, obviously, it's very difficult to get the job. I'm not telling that you won't get the job. It is difficult to get the job, and you're getting a lot of things, okay, for free. So utilize that. And again, people who are paid, don't worry. People who are getting for free, you are getting more than that. For that, there are some certain services which we provide. Okay, don't feel bad about I paid so much, sir. They're giving free, so everything we cannot give free. Keep in mind, no one will give anything free. We are also doing this. Say we also tell you to post the certificates. Very frankly, why are we telling that? So that it will be like a marketing for us, right? And what is the advantage for you? I will recommend you people, and also you are exposed to many other people. So it's like win-win situation. That's it. Okay, don't worry, you are there. Whatever is possible from me, I will promise you that I will. Okay, right. Thank you so much, Kusuma, for your inputs. Right.
Okay, sir.
This
Sir, we can get recorded videos in ITAS app, right?
yes, you can get. This is already there in the Telegram channel. I've just put that. You will get more videos. Don't worry. You can go to ITAS app. There are so many webinars, workshops, and all. So this videos also I'll be adding there, like a different course, and that will be completely free, which will be available for you. You can go there and you can check that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, Bhartesh here. So, that's regarding the overall classes, this all 1 week classes I enjoyed, and it's very informative for my day-to-day job, business as usual. So, thank you so much, sir. And sir, one more thing, just I want to visit your this one, sir. And
yeah, I got your message. I was just reading that. No
yeah.
worries. If anybody has got any issues, please do not worry. We are there. Somehow we'll help you, because I don't know what is the issue.
Yeah.
That you're not able to log in. So you just send
Yes,
us.
yes, yeah.
If you're coming to the institute, bring your laptop. We'll
Yeah.
rectify your problem and we'll do it. Okay, don't
So,
worry about it.
Okay, so when can I, sir, to Saturday or Sunday, like weekend? Or
This weekend, Saturday we are available. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday we are not available. Okay.
okay.
This Sunday we are not there.
Uh,
Then, Monday also we are not there. So Tuesday I will be not available. So you can come tomorrow, or you can come from Wednesday anytime.
okay, sir. Tomorrow I will come, sir.
Sure, sure. You visit
Okay.
us tomorrow.
Yeah.
We try to rectify that.
Yeah.
No worries.
Okay.
Right. Any others?
Sir, sir, this is Rangnath, sir.
Yeah, Rangnath.
Hello?
Yeah, Rangnath. I'm
Sir,
able to-
oh, okay, great, sir. Sir, whole, the session was very good, sir. Whole 8 day, whatever we spent, which was very helpful, and we have to be implemented to our professional career, sir. So that is the main thing. Just whatever we see, that has to be implemented. Now, professional career, which will be help for our professional growth as well. So first, I would like to, thanks for your giving a free of cost for this training and dashboard techniques and more and all. So I would like to recommend for my colleagues as well for this course.
Sure. So again, I'm telling you, nothing will come for free. Okay. What I'm telling is, you're given the free training, that's all. The knowledge, who has to gain? You people have to gain. Okay. So what are you paying me? You are paying me what? You are paying me the respect, or making us, encouraging us more to give such trainings. I'm not asking you anything in the form of money. I'm just asking you in the form of feedback. I'm asking in the form of, encouraging us by giving more encouraging feedbacks, posting your certificates. Okay. That is what actually, which makes we people grow, and also you also. Okay. Don't worry. When I say I'm actually asking you something, I'm not asking you money. Okay. So I'm just telling you that this is not for free. It is like we are also trying to market. You're also trying to gain some knowledge. So you're not losing anything. I'm not losing anything. Only thing is we are mutually understanding and trying to grow together. That's understood. Okay. Right. Thank you so much, Rangnath, for your feedback. And people who have attended all the sessions are very happy. People who have not attended few sessions, and few sessions you have attended. So still, you can go through all the videos and then try to learn. Okay.
Hello.
Right. Anybody else is there?
Yes.
Then Dhanraj. Hi,
yeah.
Dhanraj.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. So tell me, Dhanraj.
I'll just drop by tomorrow, and I'll have a word with you, sir. Hello.
Dhanraj?
Hello. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
Dhanraj. Go on.
Yeah. I mean, the session was amazing. Okay. Then I'll just drop by the office tomorrow, and I'll have a word with you. Unfortunately,
Yeah,
I could
sure,
not
sure.
make it today. So
Sure.
sorry.
No problem. You
Yeah.
told you'll be coming today, but I think you got.
Yeah. So something came up suddenly. So
I know,
that's
I know.
why I decided to
No
just go
worries,
ahead and
no worries.
attend it online. Yeah.
That's fine.
So I'll
That's
just reach out to you tomorrow. I also have your number, right? I'll just call you as well. No
sure.
worries.
Please do that.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you. Right. Anybody else wants to tell something? Thanks, Divya. Thank you so much. So, even if you just give one word, okay, which encourages us, but actually motivates us to give more innovative. Say, if you go to Excel, say, we teach, if I say I'm teaching Excel, there are hundreds of people, thousands of people who are teaching Excel. But you just go and see in YouTube or anywhere, if they're teaching these kind of dashboards. They teach dashboards. I'm not telling them they won't teach dashboards. But just imagine, right from scratch till end. You just go and see. There are very less people. I'm not telling no one will teach. There are very less people, and that too they'll not give in depth of knowledge. Just say starting and end. That's okay. Make use of these things. Thanks, Sayed. Thank you so much. Right. So, people, you can give the feedback offline as well. You can message me, the group, or individually. Okay. Once again, I wish all of you. Thank you so much, Arvind. More than a teacher, you are a very good human being, very down to earth person. I am not sure, but I try to be good. That's all. I don't know whether I'm good or bad, but I'll try to be good. That's all. Okay. Thank you so much, Arvind, for your kind words. So, people, wish you all a very happy new year once again. I wish this 2024 should be a very great year for all of us. Okay. Not only me, but everyone. So that I should be very proud saying that yes, my students are in a very big position, getting good salary. There is very good companies. Okay. So I'll be the first person, more than your parents, or more than your siblings. I'll be the happiest person if you guys get a good job. Good. Okay. Right. Thanks, Yuraj. Thanks, Aditya. Thank you all. See you guys soon. Okay. Bye-bye. Stop.